welcome back to my channel. This is Vishnu Shetty. In today's video we are going to see 2 DIY fashion styling tips. So let's get started. So if you have a loose dress like this and you want to make it look so good and sexy, take a black scarf and a bangle. Wrap the scarf around your waist and do it like this and make this a little broad so that it looks like a bow and tie it back. Adjust it. Voila. So do you want to make your simple dress yet interesting? Let's follow this step. Take the same black scarf and the same bangle. Wrap it around your neck. Keep it equal. Do it like this and do a twist. One this side and one another side, and again one this way and same this side as well. Now we are done. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.